Hi, Auntie Jessie here, and I'm gonna read to you creature sounds. And you know what would be really, really awesome? If you could play along with me. If you want to do the animal sounds with me, that would be really great. And it would be really awesome too if you could shout out the animal when we turn the pages. If you know what it is, just shout it out. I would love it. Okay, ready? Let's start with the first animal. You ready for this? You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Whoo, 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 whoo. What is that? Is that a lizard? No? Is it a dog? No. It's an owl. Yes, it's an owl. Let's see what's next. Ready? That was my best lion. What's your best lion? I know you know that's a lion, so we're just gonna go from there. Can you do your best lion? Can you roar? Whoa! You are way scarier than I was. All right, ready? Next one. Whoop, 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 whoop. Do you know what that is? He's kind of a funny looking animal. I'm gonna put him right up to the camera so you can see what he looks like. Oops, maybe not. Oh. That, my friends, is a baboon. I take that back. That is a mandrill. Auntie Jessie doesn't know her animals. That is called a mandrill. He is a funny looking guy with very colorful looking face. And he makes a very funny sound. You want to try that sound again with me? Ready? Whoop, 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 whoop. Pretty fun, huh? I think so. Okay, next one. Oh, ready? That is one of Auntie Jessie's favorite animals. Can you tell me what it is? You know what it is. What is it? What is it? That is a horse. Favorite. Okay, next one. If I can turn the page. Ready? Do you know what that is? It's kind of a weird picture. But that, my friends, is a bat. They make squeaky noises at night to try to find their food. Ooh, you ready for the next one? This is also another one of my favorite animals. Not everyone's favorite, but I like them. Ready? What is that? That, is a snake. I think they're pretty. Ready? Ooh, this guy's a funny guy. You ready for this? That, do you know what he is? He's not a dog. He's not a cat. He's called a laughing hyena because when they make their sound, they sound like they're laughing. And they live in Africa. Here we go. Ribbit. Ribbit. You know what that is, right? He hops. He lives in water. He's a frog. Wah, 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 wah. Wah. Or quack. That is a monkey. No, it's not a monkey. You're right. It's a duck. Ooh. Ready? That is a cheetah. And cheetahs are very big cats, just like lions. And they purr just like house cats do. And that is Creature Sounds with Auntie Jessie. I love you all. The end.